ready to transform your idea into a stunning online presence without touching a single line of code. Today, we're diving into Lovable, the incredibly intuitive platform that makes website creation a breeze. Let's get started by clicking the straightforward Create New Website button to launch your project. Lovable offers a fantastic range of pre-designed templates to kickstart your journey. Browse through these visually appealing options and select one that best suits the style and purpose of your website. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to shape your layout. Lovable's drag-and-drop interface is incredibly user-friendly. Simply click and drag elements like text sections, image galleries, and buttons exactly where you envision them. Now, let's bring your website to life with your unique content. Double-click on any text area to start typing, or use the dedicated content areas to upload your own text, headings, and descriptions. It's as simple as editing a document. Personalizing your website's appearance is where your creativity truly shines. Resize images with a flick of your mouse. Experiment with different font styles and colors from the extensive library, and fine-tune the spacing between elements for a polished look. Explore the customization options for backgrounds. You can choose vibrant colors or upload your own images. Don't forget to upload your logo and place it prominently in the header to establish your brand identity. Want to add functionality? Lovable makes it easy to incorporate interactive elements. Add a contact form so visitors can reach you, or embed your social media feeds to keep your audience engaged. Before you share your masterpiece with the world, use the preview mode to see how your website looks across various devices, ensuring a seamless experience for all your visitors. And with a single click of the Publish button, your beautiful, functional website is live and ready to impress. Lovable truly puts the power of professional web design in your hands, proving you don't need to be a tech wizard to build a standout online presence.